So in this video, we're going to play with the standard C major scale chords. So to do that, we need to go Shift, chord, P007, pattern 7. Hit the chord button because it's flashing. It's telling me to get out or do something. Here we go. And I have... Nice. So once I've got my nice little chord progression, one thing I can do is just jam away with chord hold and on. Check my variations. Maybe I'll go to 2.4. Let's see what that sounds like. And there we go. I've got a really nice kind of pop sounding chord progression. 1, 4, 5, 6, they all work really well. Or 1, 5, 6, 4, however you want to do it. That can work really well with assignments where you're working with 1, 5, 6, 4 chords, or just if you want to play something that's kind of poppy, go for it.